Hey, what's up, YouTubers? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sam. Alright, so I just got a very important news and exciting news about cryptocurrency, and I was like, damn, man, I'm going to share this. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so The Simpsons is a very popular cartoon show, right? It's been around for a very long time, and guess what, guys? They now talk about cryptocurrency. I had a meeting today in Bonny Island, and I was telling them how that cryptocurrency is the future, right? And this is just getting clearer by the day. Imagine they now teach kids because of course it's a cartoon and kids love cartoon, and younger generations they love watching cartoon, and that just tells you, hey, this form of money is for the millennials, right? They are not teaching this in the university, they're not teaching this on the news, but explaining cryptocurrencies in a very nice way to kids. Now let's watch and see what's going on.
By clicking the link to TV's most beloved scientist, Mr. Jim Parsons.
Okay, I think I'm going to start from the beginning.
People think I'm a nerd, but I'm actually super cool. That's why I'm here to talk about the really cool subject of distributed consensus-based cryptocurrency. Kachinga.
Did you hear that? Cryptocurrency.
Could a nerd do that? I don't think so. For cryptocurrency to work, we need a record of every transaction that occurs. These are recorded in what's called a distributed ledger.
I'm a consensus of shared and synchronized digital data spread across multiple platforms from Shanghai to Grenada. Each day I'm closer to being cash of the future, not in your wallet, I'm in your computer. Oh yeah!
When you use the currency, the transaction is recorded in the ledger.
I can dig it.
And when one ledger book gets filled up, we add to a chain of previous books. That's the blockchain.
Later, Glitcher.
If you'd like to learn more about how cryptocurrencies work, here's everything else you need to know. And goodbye from me, super cool Jim Parsons. It went in! It went in! It went...
So did you see that, guys? Simpsons now educates people about cryptocurrency. Oh my god. This is the future, guys. This is the future. I'm not trying to make you guys FOMO into cryptocurrency, but if you have to FOMO, it's really fine. Now remember, I always tell people that the best time to go into cryptocurrency is when people don't know about it. Let's do a quick math. Let's go to coinmarketcap.com. Now this is coinmarketcap.com. Now if you take the market capitalization of Bitcoin and go over to, I'm going to create another tab, and then you take the coin market cap right there, the market cap of Bitcoin, and then you divide it by the circulating supply. Here is the circulating supply, and I'm going to divide it. Let's see what our answer is going to be. So this is the market capitalization right here, and this is the supply, and the price is what? 9613. Let's go and see the price here. 9613, exactly the same thing. Now let me tell you what this means. Now this amount here is the total amount of money that we're investing into Bitcoin. What this amount here is the total amount of Bitcoin in circulation. 18 million Bitcoins in circulation. Now ask yourself, how many millionaires do we have in the world? There are obviously more than 18 million millionaires in the world. You see? Now, do your calculation. If the price of Bitcoin is gotten by market capitalization divided by circulating supply, what will happen when each millionaire in the world decides to get at least one Bitcoin? Already, there is not enough there's not enough Bitcoin in the world for all millionaires in Nigeria as a whole, or Africa as a whole, to have one Bitcoin. It is not enough. Now, what will now happen in the next 2-3 years when the knowledge of cryptocurrencies now becomes so easy that everyone can understand? Because there was a time when nobody knew what the internet was, and then people started building businesses on the internet. Now, the people that built their businesses on the internet are billionaires today in dollars. How did they become billionaires in dollars? Because they took advantage of the internet and they built their business on the internet when no one knew what the internet was. You see? End today's video with this. While you're watching this thing, think about 5 years from now, 10 years from now, what is going to be. Now, remember, I said people that made good money from in the internet were those that invested into the internet business when people didn't know about Bitcoin, about internet. When people didn't know what the internet was, that was when they invested. A very good example is Mark Zuckerberg. He built his business on the internet. Now, my question is, are you taking advantage of the recent technology, which is cryptocurrency and blockchain? Now, listen to this video. Just watch what they're saying in this video.
56 past, I wasn't prepared to translate that as I was doing that little tease.
Oh, that's
that little
right.
mark with the A and then the ring around it.
At.
See, that's what I said. Katie said she thought it was about.
Yeah. Oh.
But I'd never heard
Or
it.
around
I'd never
or
heard it
about.
said. I'd always
That's
seen
right.
the mark, but never heard
Yeah.
it said. And then
Yeah.
it sounded stupid when I said it. Violence at NBC.
Yeah, I heard
be around
big
or
fight
about.
in the lunchroom the other
See,
week.
there it is. Violence at NBC. GE com. I mean,
Well, Allison should know. What
what
do you
is
say to that,
internet
Allison?
anyway?
Internet is that
Massive computer
right,
network.
the one that's becoming really big now.
What do you mean? That's big. How does one? What do you write to it like mail?
No, a lot of people use it and communicate. I guess they can communicate with NBC writers and producers. Allison, can you explain what internet is?
No, she can't say anything in 10 seconds or less.
Oh, Allison will be in the studio shortly.
What is
What
it?
does it mean?
It's a giant computer network made up of started from.
Oh, I thought you were going to tell us what this was.
It's like
You're
a
looking in the
computer
dictionary.
billboard.
It's not an. It's a computer billboard, but it's
Right.
nationwide. And it's several universities and everything all joined together.
Right.
And others can access it.
Right.
And it's getting bigger.
So, guys, as you can see, in 1994, just few years ago, they didn't know what the internet was. And this guy didn't even know what art was or is. Now, see, this art that we all know, he didn't know what it was back then. You see? Now, guess what? Those that knew what it was, those that knew what internet was and is, and those that knew how to build their businesses on the internet are billionaires today in dollars. Now, we have another era of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Are you going to be among those who will be like, hey, I knew about the cryptocurrency and blockchain, but I didn't have the time to invest, you know what I'm saying? I used to hear somebody talk about it, but hey, come on, man, it's too late. Are you going to be such people? Well, if you want to know about cryptocurrency and blockchain, I actually have a course. There's a free course. Let me see if I can open it for you. So you get over to Blockchain University. Blockchain University, there's a free course where you can get to learn about, is it loading? Is it loading? Yeah, it is. Where you can learn about cryptocurrency, about blockchain, the deep and in-depth knowledge about cryptocurrency and blockchain. As you can see, home for blockchain and cryptocurrency education. If you miss the opportunity of investing in Google, Facebook, Amazon, don't miss blockchain. All right. So this course is free. If you have the time, you should have the time. You should have the time. Create time and go through this free course if you want to, if you wish. So here's a little profile about me and how I got featured involved and blah 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 blah. And also, this course will help you this course will give you a very deep understanding of what cryptocurrency and blockchain is and how cryptocurrency affects banking, social media, and almost every aspect of life. And also, this course is for anyone who wants to learn about trading, wants to learn how to make money every day by trading cryptocurrency. You can actually come over to this course. So I'll drop a link to this course in the description below. But remember, guys, the future is here. As you can see, this stuff was produced February 21st, 2020. This is still very, very early. All right. So remember when I went to CoinMarketCap, the reason I said that is this. Now, since a lot of millionaires in the world don't know about Bitcoin yet, and this is the total amount of money that has been invested into Bitcoin, what would happen if 10% of the millionaires in USA, 10% of the millionaires in each continent of the world decide to get one Bitcoin decide to get one Bitcoin? That means the price of Bitcoin is going to explode. Do your maths, because this is the total amount of money that I've invested into Bitcoin. You see, now come on, just do your maths, okay? But Bitcoin is going to be big. It's going to be big. If Bitcoin right now at 9,600 is chicken change. All right. So I don't want this video to be too long. I'll drop my WhatsApp number or my Facebook link and Instagram link and LinkedIn, just in case you want to reach out and ask questions. Feel free and see ya.